Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I have this beautiful Azaria La Mer Petite in the Luxe collection all packed up. She is a beautiful full grain leather. This is the blonde one. So I actually have my original right here just to show you how the color compares and how the size compares. And I am shocked and in disbelief at how much this little bag can hold. So let me change the camera angle and I will show you how I have her all packed up. Alright, so here she is. The leather is gorgeous on this bag and everything is exactly the same as the La Mer original. It's just in a smaller footprint. So you have a zipper pocket in the front here. This is just where I like to keep my wet ones for easy access. And then you have a nice big pocket here, and I do not have anything in that pocket. On the side here you do have a bottle pocket here. This is where I like to keep my phone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro and that slides in there no problem. And then I just attach my keys to the clip of the strap. And what I like about doing this is when it's on my back, since I have an older car that I still need to use the buttons for, I can reach the buttons and open my van doors while I'm wearing the bag, which is amazing. On the back, you do have a slip pocket here where you can tuck the straps if you are not using this backpack style. But in there, I'm using it as a pocket, and I just have a Baby Babble Indestructible book for the baby, and then I have 2 play packs for my older 2 for entertainment purposes. And that slides in there no problem, and I like having those things for unexpected weights, whether we're at restaurants or whatever. You do have another bottle pocket on this side. I do not have anything in there. Alright, so now opening up the bag, I'm going to bend the corners in so the flap stays open, and I'll give you a bird's eye view. Look how organized she is. So right on top I have some moccasins for the baby. I've mentioned in some of my other videos that we are at the stage where we take our shoes off and throw them, sometimes out car windows. So I like keeping those in there as backup. And then you can see she's completely organized and so pretty. So the only thing I really had to edit out of this bag was my water bottle, which isn't a big deal. I have my kids carry their own water bottles, and I don't mind carrying my own water bottle, so that is not a deal breaker for me when it comes to a diaper bag, especially since my kids are getting older. So in the center, I just have 2 itsy ritzy snack pouches, and how cute do these prints look with this bag. I love it. So in this first one with the suns on it, I am just keeping some snacks for my kiddos. And then in the second one with the rainbows, I am keeping all of my med kit first aid stuff. So I have medicine, I have a thermometer, feminine hygiene products, anything that you could need, nail clippers, etc. And then you can really see down into the inside of the bag now. So everything else is organized into a pocket. In this back slip pocket here, I am keeping an itsy ritzy wipes case with wipes in it. And then behind that, you get a long zipper pocket here. And inside that pocket, I am keeping my wallet. This wallet is from Madewell. And right next to that, I just have a Stasher mini bag. And this has brain flakes in it for entertainment on the go. Right next to that pocket, you get a key leash. And that's where I attach my AirPods so that I can find them easily for a phone call. And then you get a bottle pocket on each side of the inside. In this one, I am keeping my Pomifera bug spray and my Pomifera hand sanitizer. These are 2 things I'm grabbing for all of the time in the summer. And then on the other side, I am keeping these pouches, which you've seen 100 times. This one has a bib and Go Silly straw and topper and utensils for the baby. And then this one is my potty kit with flushable wipes, toilet seat covers, soap sheets, and post-it notes to cover the sensor on the automatic flush toilet. So then the last 2 pockets inside are on the front wall of the bag. You get a larger one, which I have 2 size 5 diapers, and then you get a smaller one, and in there I am keeping a portable charger for my phone, and I am also keeping my Tide to Go pen, travel scissors, regular pen, and Sharpie. So that's it. That is everything I am carrying in my Azaria La Mer Petite. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the bag, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever you are doing. Bye!